2014 Kawasaki Ninja 300 inside of a 2001 GMC Safari. It does fit, and you have room, and you do not have to take off the mirrors. You guys are good. You see the room up there, and how did it fit up here going through? You can just push the mirrors forward and it should fit perfectly. So if anybody's wondering about this in the future, now you know you could fit a Ninja 300 inside of a GMC Safari or a Chevy Astro if it's the same dimensions, which they pretty much are the same. So there you go. All right, love you guys. Peace.